there!
Hi!
Today you will see me and Kristen butt sledding with our butts. Butt sledding.
Yep. Butt sledding.
Let's go, dude.
Okay.
It's now freak sledding.
Oh!
More creative.
Yes, I like it.
Your turn.
Okay.
This hurts!
There's snow in my butt.
There's snow in my hand.
Me
It
too.
really hurts.
Ow. Pain.
You're gonna watch me do something completely idiotic?
And I'm gonna help.
Well, you should try this at home, kids, okay? Ready? Steady? Go! It hurt!
Yay!
Woo!
Peace out. Hey.
Okay.
Alright, so, let's scratch that. Okay.
Hold on. This thing going just to make it interesting. And then I'm gonna...
My hands hurt, you know?
I do too. Ow! Whoa!